In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified in Facebook Marketplace in 2026, step by step. To begin, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account you actually want to use for Marketplace, because all of the verification and trust signals will be tied to that profile. Once you're logged in, the first thing you should do is verify your email address. Go to Settings and Privacy, then open Settings. From there, look for Personal Details or Account Center, depending on the version of Facebook you're using. Add your email address if it's missing, or confirm it if it's already there, but not yet verified. Facebook will send a verification message to your inbox, so open that email and follow the instructions to complete the process. This helps confirm your identity and makes your account look more legitimate. Next, verify your phone number. Head back into Settings, then open Personal Details or the section for your mobile number. Add your phone number if needed or confirm the one already connected to your account. Facebook will send you a code by text message and you'll enter that code to finish verification. This step adds another layer of trust and also helps with account security. After that, take some time to complete your Facebook profile. Use your real name, upload a clear profile photo, and fill in your profile information as accurately as possible. A complete and authentic looking profile matters, especially on Marketplace, because buyers and sellers are more likely to trust accounts that appear genuine and active. It also helps to stay active on Facebook and follow the platform's community standards. You should also enable two-factor authentication. Go to Settings, then Password and Security, and turn on two-factor authentication. Follow the setup instructions carefully. This protects your account from unauthorized access, and it shows Facebook that you're taking account security seriously. From there, focus on building a positive marketplace reputation. Create listings that are accurate and honest, and always use clear, high-quality photos so people can see exactly what you're selling. Respond to buyers quickly and professionally, and if ratings are available in your region, try to maintain strong buyer and seller feedback over time. Good behavior on Marketplace can improve how trustworthy your account appears. Finally, make sure you follow Facebook's policies at all times. Stick to the community standards and commerce policies, avoid listing prohibited or restricted items, and always write truthful descriptions for your products. If your account stays compliant and well maintained, you'll be in a much better position to build trust and credibility on Facebook Marketplace.